So a very good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So I'll call your names. So you say the adjective that you have chosen.
Ma'am, Krishna is in the waiting.
Who's there in the waiting room? Nobody is waiting. Yes. Okay. Aditya Raj,
I'm ambitious.
ambitious. Achyut,
Ma'am, I forgot, ma'am. I'll search center.
what does this? Huh? Axiomatic, I guess. Am I right?
Yes,
Achyut.
yes.
Alvin,
Amazing, man. Amazing, amazing.
amazing. You have to say amazing. Aryan,
Adorable.
adorable. Ashwin,
Atrocious.
atrocious. What is it? What is the meaning of that?
Bad. Wicked, wicked.
You need to change it. It sounds like a negative word. Atul?
Astonishing.
Ah,
Astonishing.
okay, astonishing. I thought the same word. Okay. Dia.
Dedicated.
Dedicated Dia. Wow. Donna. Your Donna is not there. Gauri.
Gorgeous.
Gorgeous Gauri. Emmanuel.
Imaginary.
Imaginary.
Intelligent.
That's perfect. Intelligent. Krishna Chandran. Kind.
Kind.
Kind. Muhammad Adim. Absent. Shivani. Absent. Srihari.
Affectionate.
Affectionate. What? Srihari starting with S.
Oh, it's like that. I didn't know, ma'am. So
So I'll give you sincere. Sincere Srihari. Okay? So every day when you wake up, you say, I am sincere Srihari. Okay. Now let's move on to our networking topic, that is question. Oh, Shivani has reached. Alvin Binny, as always, what are the different advantages of network? Alvin, are you there? Ah.
Yeah. I don't know.
You don't know. How come you say like that? You don't know. So I'll give you punishment. Every day. Tomorrow, the punishment is tomorrow you have to take this topic as a seminar. Network, types of network, advantages and disadvantages. Clear?
Now I'll say no.
Huh?
Okay.
Only a simple topic, so you have to take. After that only I will take class. Is that clear? Shivani, did you get the name? That adjective? I think she was not there. Do you get the name? Adjective?
No, ma'am.
No. So I will give you a name. Don't worry. Achyut.
Yes, ma'am.
Just a moment. So Achyut, what are the advantages of computer network?
Ma'am, resource sharing, cost saving, we can collaborate, then time saving, and also storage will be increased.
Very good. Shivani, what are the disadvantages?
Ma'am, the network body manage. If the network work managed service can be unusual and productivity fails. Then, if software and file held centrally, it may be impossible.
Possible to share information.
File file security is more important, especially.
Okay, security will be less. There are chances of virus and all if you are connected to a network. Now, what is interspace, Srihari?
Interspace, it's a private communication between two people where others can't
Between
listen
two
to it.
people. No, no, not two people. No.
Or interspace between many people.
Mm,
They can access internet, but others can't.
okay, okay, yes, yes. What is this specialty? It's not just a communication. What is
Interspace is a
speciality?
client server software program that allows multiple users to communicate in with real-time audio and
Okay,
video.
the main specialty you have to say real time audio and video. That is the main thing. It's not just a call. It's not just a audio call. Real time environment. Okay. Krishnandran, tell me what is intranet.
It's a local communication network. It's a private network made
Private
by
network.
World Wide Web,
Run by
made
who?
using the World Wide Web. Individuals or organizations.
Organizations. Okay. What
Then
is okay? What is internet, Aryan?
Internet is popularly known as net, and it is a global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks.
Very good. Okay. Next topic you write down switching techniques. Switching. Switching technique means how the data is sent from the source to the destination. Suppose you're calling someone through your landline or direct call from mobile. So what is happening actually behind? How this data is going?
So wires,
Ah, suppose it's
the
mobile,
exchange
mobile
to the SIM card,
signal, yes. Then
signal is transferred to the tower. From there, it is directed to next tower and the recipient.
to the recipient. That is, a connection is established before starting the communication. Am I right?
Yes.
When you end the call, what happens? The connection is released. Okay? And it is a dedicated path. Someone else is trying to call the other person. He won't be able to get that call because he will get an information that message that the person is in another call. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
So that only actually is hearing what I'm saying. For others, don't want to unmute. It's so hard. Huh? Krishnadran? Okay, so a dedicated path is established before starting the communication. That kind of switching. Switching means from the source to destination, how the data is passing. That technique is called as circuit switching. Circuit. That means a connection should be established before starting the communication, and the connection will be there till the communication ends. That means throughout the communication, the connection will be there. A dedicated path is established between the source and destination in the case of circuit switching. That is how the data is passed. Now let's see another example. Krishna Chandran is sending, present continuous, because he is sending a message to Sri Hari, something related to computer science class or something, some other thing, or say hello. Suppose in his mobile phone there is no internet connection. He turned off his mobile data because he doesn't want to get disturbed during the computer class. So mobile is there, but mobile data is off. So otherwise he will have a tendency to check Instagram and all during the class. So Krishnendra sent a message, hi. So what will happen to the message in WhatsApp? How many ticks?
Simple.
How many ticks?
One, just one.
Why you want tick?
It won't be delivered.
It won't be late. What about from your system? I mean, from your mobile? Is it gone or not?
It won't go.
Huh?
No.
From your system, from your mobile phone to the WhatsApp software, you send the message. Your message is gone. Am I right? What about 2 ticks? Krishnendra.
Message is delivered.
Message is delivered. 2 blue ticks.
Message is read.
It is seen by the other person, isn't it? See, here there is a difference. So there is no dedicated path established between Krishnendran and Srihari's mobile phone or WhatsApp softwares. Then what is happening there? Whatever message you are sending, that will be sent and it is waiting somewhere. It is stored somewhere. When Srihari turns on his mobile data, that particular message will be delivered to his mobile. That kind of communication, switching from data from one device to another, is called as message switching or packet switching. Okay, message switching or packet switching. So here the messages or data will be sent in the form of packets. Small packets. Not as a whole message, small packets. And it will be stored somewhere. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
That is the main difference between circuit switching and packet and message switching. Circuit switching, a dedicated path should be established before communication, and the dedicated path will be continued until the communication gets over. Understood? So proper definition for that, see here. Switching techniques. These techniques are used for transferring data across network. 3 types of techniques: circuit, packet, and message. In the case of message switching and packet switching, the data will be transferred through many places. A path is not same. Switching between, like Achut said, from one place to another, other place to another. It is finding the best path and it is going through that path. So 3 types of switching techniques: circuit, packet and message. Understood, Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Speciality of circuit switching. Complete physical connection between the
Ma'am,
yes.
last page. Show again. Finished, ma'am. Ma'am, so in this Zoom, what is packet loss and all?
Packet or message switching, not at all circuit switching.
No, ma'am. Sometimes we can see packet loss.
Packet or message switching. Both techniques are used, not circuit switching. Internet, always we use packet or message switching. Always the data, it is sent in the form of packets, both in message and packet switching. So the circuit is terminated when the connection is closed, like when you turn on the switch, turn on a fan or light bulb. So that kind of circuit is closed, circuit is open. That's how it works. So resources remain allocated. That means just think about the phone call. Resources remain allocated during the full length of the communication. So no one else can send anything there. It is not possible. Then after the call, the resources are freed. The allocated resources are freed. Only it will be asked as a 2-mark question. What is the difference between circuit switching and packet switching? What is the difference between packet switching? So you have to write only 2 points. Don't write much. You won't be getting any theory questions more than 2 marks for your board examination. There won't be any essay. The maximum mark is 2 marks. The rest will be programs.
Ma'am, in circuit switching, what is the definition?
Definition is that in circuit switching method, the physical connection between the computer is established before the communication. Then the data is transmitted from the source to destination. This is the definition for circuit
Ma'am,
switching.
1 minute, ma'am. No, completed.
In circuit switching, the physical connection between the computers is established first, and then the data are transmitted from the source to destination. Then as a second point, you can write the connection is established until the circuit is terminated and the allocated resources are freed. Circuit, this is the second point. As second point, you can write this point. Circuit switching, resources remain allocated during the full length of a communication after a circuit is established and until the circuit is terminated and the allocation resources are freed. You can write it in your own words. It's okay. I will send you those notes. Don't worry, you can copy down. Packet switching. The entire message is broken into smaller pieces called packets. At the source, entire message is broken in smaller pieces called packets, which are transmitted over a network without any resource being allocated. Then each packet is transmitted and each packet may follow any route. So suppose this is the source destination. So from the source there are many paths. So it will find the best path. So one packet will go through this path, second packet will go through this path, third packet will go through this path, like that. So at the destination place, all the packets are combined, reassembles, and the final destination, the packets will be received, combined, and it will be received. At the destination, when all packets are received, they are merged to form the original message. And here comes the difference between packet switching and message switching. In packet switching, this is the second point you need to write about packet switching. In packet switching, all the packets of fixed size are stored in where? Main memory. But in message switching, it will be saved in hard disk. That's the only difference between message switching and packet switching. Message switching in hard disk. Packet switching, the packets are saved in main memory. Then in packet switching, the difference is that it is stored in packet switching, data packets are stored in main memory, and in message switching, it is stored in hard disk.
Ma'am, switching definition is first paragraph, right?
It will be stored first, then it will be forwarded. This one you can write. All points are differences. Like in message switching, there is no upper bound on size of packets, whereas in packet switching, each packet is of fixed size. packet of fixed size. Message switching, there is no upper bound. So, giving you homework, example of message switching, example of packet switching, and example of circuit switching. Find out what kind of communication uses this circuit, message, and packet. Finished?
Just a minute.
In manual, what is circuit switching?
First, they complete physical connection between two computer systems.
Establish a connection, isn't it? Complete connection between?
Then data transmitted from the source computer to the destination. It's an end-to-end connection between computer for any data can be sent. In circuit switching, resource remain allocated during the full length of the communication.
Dia, what is packet switching?
At the source, entire message is broken in smaller pieces called packets, which are transmitted over a network without any resources being allocated.
Where it will be stored in packet switching? The data will be stored in?
Main
memory. Gauri, what is message switching?
Data packets. Data is stored by one node, then forward to another to transfer the data to another system.
Voice is breaking. Okay, it's like a robotic voice. Robot. Okay. Next one is different terminologies. Many things are there. If you want to know about the computer networking. What is the speed of your internet, Achyut?
50 Mbps.
Are you getting 50 Mbps?
Yes.
You are getting? You search
Yes.
now. Speed test.
Yes, ma'am. 55 Mbps.
Now
in
you
the
check?
morning. Yes.
In the morning.
Yeah.
What about night?
Night time also 55.
55.
Yes.
So every time it's 55. But for me, when I my connection has 30, I think Mbps per second.
I'll run now.
Yes. During night, I'm not getting that much. Sometimes I'll get some 5, some 2, some 1.
Ma'am, nighttime upload speed will be less.
Ah.
But download speed no change.
Now what is the speed?
$54.
54 Mbps.
Yes.
What on speed? So have you got a dedicated connection or a normal connection?
Dedicated means
Dedicated means dedicated only for you. Monthly, what is the payment amount? Then I will tell you.
499.
499. So it's not a dedicated connection. So
No.
when you get internet connection, they will say 50 Mbps or 100 Mbps. That is the for that connection. That speed is the maximum speed, and they will give the connection to, say for example, some to 300 houses, families. So what will happen if everybody is using the same time, then your data internet speed will reduce. And there's something called dedicated connection that you can take only for you. They will give you a
Ma'am,
connection. Yes.
this number of users are very low, I think, ma'am.
That's what.
Our area.
Yes, that is
Few
why.
people are using.
That is why you are getting that internet connectivity that much speed. Otherwise, if the number of users are more, your connectivity speed will be less because it is shared. That is why they can give you at the rate of 499. Otherwise, it will be more than some
No,
2000.
ma'am, but it's a nationalized rate.
No, that's what I'm telling. It's shared. If you are paying for a dedicated line, then it will be more dedicated only for you. They will give you connection. So the full whatever they are saying, that full speed you will get, but the amount will be something else. Okay. Now, so what is this MPPS? That is the first terminology you need to study. What is the meaning of MPPS? M stands for
Mega.
mega. M B.
Small b, right?
Small b.
Bits.
Bit. PS.
Per second.
Second. So you are getting per second 20 megabits data is transferred through your network. That is what? That is the speed of, that is one terminology you need to study. I'll show you that. That is called data transfer rate. So those who have got the broadband connection, your connection will be at Mbps speed. So you can search everyone. Now itself you search for Google search speed test. I will ask you randomly about the speed. Speed test and test your internet speed. And tell me, speed test, everyone. Mobile phone and in system, computer. Aditraj, what about you?
I'm just checking.
Krishnandran? There will be two types of speed, that is uploading speed and downloading speed. Yes. Krishnandran? We need to find the downloading speed actually. Uploading speed doesn't, it is okay. Downloading speed? Hello? Shivani?
I'm checking, ma'am.
Oh, Aryan?
Ma'am, downloading 81.
81 Mbps or kbps?
Mbps.
Ashwin?
30.
30. Alvin? He's stuck. That is less speed he has. Emmanuel?
20.
20. Dia?
15.
15. Aditraj?
I'm 30.
Then Aditya, you told me, and then nobody else. Krishnandran, will you tell me?
Your range is low, so just one.
1
Down
Mbps.
Be like 56.
1 Mbps. How come you can attend Zoom classes with 1 Mbps? Shivani? Unmute.
Ma'am, 1.10.
1.10. Normally, Zoom needs a 10 Mbps totally for a Zoom meeting. Okay. So 1 Mbps is enough. You are getting full 1 Mbps. So that's why. Okay. So Alvin, what is your speed?
15, 17, 20.
Huh?
Like
17.
17, 20.
17 now.
When I did this speed test.
17 Mbps. Then why your video stuck in between?
Yeah, that I don't know.
Okay. So different speeds. So that is the first data transfer rate. And always it's not byte. Bit per second. Bit per second, kilobits per second, megabits per second, gigabit bits per second. So that is the data transfer rate in computer network. Okay. The rest we'll see in the next class. Okay. Bye.